If you're craving juicy, crispy chicken wings but want it light and healthy, I've got a perfect recipe for you. Today on Jeyn's Corner, I'm going to show you how to prepare easy air fryer lemon pepper chicken wings that are not only delicious but also low calorie and high protein. These chicken wings are perfect for game day or for those days you're wanting a guilt-free snack. So stick around for the crispiest, juiciest chicken wings ever. And the bonus, you don't even have to fire the grill or grease a pan. So let's start cooking.
Grab 8 to 12 pieces chicken wings, depending on the size of your air fryer. You can use skin on, bone in, flats, or drumsticks, whichever you prefer. Rinse them off and then pat them dry with a paper towel. We want them super dry to get that perfect crisp in the air fryer. Just a little tip: the drier the skin, the crispier the wings. In a large bowl, we're going to toss the chicken wings with 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps everything stick together and adds to that perfect golden crunch. Alright, now let's get to the seasonings. We're keeping it simple and flavorful. Add 2 tablespoons lemon pepper seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon ground red pepper, and a dash of salt and ground black pepper for that rich, spicy flavor. Then we will add 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Make sure the wings are evenly coated. Season these wings generously. Don't be shy. We want all that flavor to get into the chicken. And remember, you can always adjust the seasoning to your taste. Next, grab your air fryer basket. I love using the air fryer because it gives us that crispy texture we all crave, but without the oil or the mess of deep frying. Just toss your wings in there, making sure they're spread out evenly. No overcrowding. If you have a smaller basket, do it in batches. Cook the chicken wings for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the wings once and cook them for another 8 to 10 minutes. While the wings are air frying, prepare your lemon sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons room temperature lemon juice. It is best to use fresh lemon juice with some lemon zest added to it. Then add a light sprinkling of lemon pepper seasoning. Drizzle or brush the chicken wings with the lemon sauce and further cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until deep golden brown and crispy. About 3 to 5 minutes. But be careful not to overcook the wings. Look at these, crispy perfection. You get that irresistible crunch, the tender juicy interior, and that zingy lemon pepper kick in every bite. I mean, you don't need any dipping sauce with wings this good. Easy, low calorie, and high in protein. These wings are guaranteed to be a hit at your next game day party or casual night in. You can serve these with your favorite dipping sauces like honey mustard, ranch, or blue cheese. Or just eat them as they are. Game day glory right here. And if you want to go next level, toss a little Parmesan cheese on top for extra flavor. And remember, you can double or triple the recipe for a crowd. These are perfect, crispy, zesty, and so flavorful. No oil, no mess, just pure deliciousness. You're going to love these. So there you have it, crispy, delicious, low-calorie lemon pepper wings made in the air fryer. This is a must-try recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, you'll like my next video on indoor grilled cheeseburgers up next. Hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy cooking made easy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy!